Hello, and welcome to today's daily message. Continuing our reflection on marriage and family, today I want to talk about what Pope John Paul II refers to as the family as a community of persons. So, a brief quote from his encyclical on the family. He says, "The family, which is founded and given life by love, is a community of persons, of husband and wife, of parents and children, of relatives. Its first task is to live with fidelity the reality of communion in a constant effort to develop an authentic community of persons. The inner principle of that task, its permanent power and its final goal, is love. Without love, the family is not a community of persons, and in the same way, without love, the family cannot live, grow, and perfect itself as a community of persons." So I want to take a quick look at those two terms, community and persons. So what is a community? A community is a group of people, in this case, the family, that seeks to be one, that seeks to be united in spirit, with an organization in which everyone's oars are in the water paddling the same way. A community is a group, in this case, the family, that seeks to move in the same direction, that has the same values and goals, and which truly loves each other. But then there's the term persons. So persons has the connotation of strong individuals, persons with a strong sense of morality, who love themselves, who have a deep sense of ethics, who know where they're going in life. And so those two terms, community and persons, might seem to work at odds with each other on the surface. But on a deeper level, community and persons are terms that work hand in hand, because only when the persons in a family are strong, are self-directed, can they then form a true community of persons? Can they commit to the community that is the family? Can they truly share the love that is required to build an authentic community of persons? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.